Assalamu alaikum students, I hope you're all fine. We are starting question number 17 of exercise 10F, right? The diagram shows the points A, B and C. There are 3 points shown in this diagram, okay? And you're given the coordinates of all 3 points. Part A says that determine if the triangle ABC is a right angled triangle. If I join all these points, we know that a triangle will be formed. Now we need to determine if this triangle is a right angled triangle. So we know that we apply Pythagoras theorem on right angled triangles only. So by applying Pythagoras theorem here, I can verify if it's a right angled triangle. And according to that, the hypotenuse square should be equals to base and perpendicular square. Okay, and you can easily find all these 3 distances AB, AC and BC by using distance formula, which I'm sure you can do very easily by now, as you have done that in previous questions. So you will do this part A by yourself. The only difference will be through distance formula you will find AB and then AC, BC, and you will have to take their squares. And then part B is, given that ABDC is a parallelogram, find the coordinates of point D. Given that ABDC, it means there is a point after B, between B and C, such that it forms a parallelogram. And you will find the coordinates of that point D by yourself. It means that we are going to locate that point D in this figure. So let's see how we're going to do that. As you can see from here that, just first let's go through some basics that we know parallelogram. In a parallelogram, opposite sides are equal, right? It means that AC will be equals to BD, right? And AB is equals to CD. So it means that the distance of D from B will be equals to the distance of C from A, right? So let's check that. As you can see in this figure that C is 2 units away from point A, right, along x-axis. If I look at the value of C along x-axis, then it's 1 unit and 2 units away from C. It means that point D will also be 2 units away from B along x-axis. And now let's see how much distance C has from y-axis. It is 1 unit. A is on right x-axis and C is 1 unit away from A. It means that D will be 2 units away from B along x-axis and 1 unit away up from B along y-axis. So here I got my point D at this point. Now you can easily check the coordinates of D. Along x-axis its value is 2, right, and along y-axis its value is 4. So that's all.